Oh boy, time to try out this project RPG maker thingy.
Oh my god!
Wow, that's a very bad title command window, but I think I know how to fix this. Using the title command customizer plugin, a plugin that allows you to customize the title command window. Immediately after installing it, you'll notice that your title command is now completely different, has a new shutdown option, and now things are just have icons and look better. Yeah! This plugin allows you to manipulate the various aspects of the window, including the X, Y, width, height, rows, columns, padding, and also opacity, along with a couple other things. For example, if you want to make it go lower, you would just actually subtract less from this. So like, you'll make it 25. Yeah, now it's a lot lower than before. Anyway, besides all of this, let's get straight into the meat of this plugin, which is a command customization, which allows you to customize each of the commands on the title screen command window, you know, Yanfly main menu manager style. The available options for each different command are quite simple. The first one is whether or not you're going to use the command itself. The second one is the text that appears. It can be normal text or an eval. So for example, right here, this is an evaluation using JavaScript, which takes an icon of 73, adds it to the text manager's new game text from the options, and you're good to go. However, if this looks a little too complex for you, you can just like erase all of it and just write new game, and you'll be good to go just like that. But of course, if you do want some sort of JavaScript eval, you have to do eval and then input a string such as like this to make it a JavaScript eval. Next is a symbol for the command. This is just a string of characters that makes the command unique in the actual code of the command thing. And then of course, you can also set it so whether the command is enabled or whether it's visible using JavaScript evaluations. By default, all the commands for the new game, continue, options, and a brand new shutdown feature have been added. However, you can even add more commands, and you even have the capability to call common events from the command. For example, if you use the action this.playCommonEvent.bind this, then the ID of the common event, then of course you can use that common event from the title screen. So say for example, we're in common event 1 and we just do something like this is a common event. Then that will be called upon within your title when you click that button, and it'll work great and everything. Another thing to keep in mind is the command order, which determines the order of the commands in the command window. So say for example, you go out of here and you add a new plugin such as Yanfly's credit page, and you want to make it so that command does not just appear at the bottom like this. What you can do is figure out what that credits symbol is, then add it somewhere in here. So for example, we'll do credits like this, and then just fix it up like that. And now, the credits command will appear in the third slot, as opposed to being at the very last like it was before. But keep in mind, even if you don't have the symbol listed in here, it'll still appear on the command window, so you don't have to worry about it too much just in case you forget or something. Another thing to keep in mind is the ability to use text codes and the ability to align the text to a certain degree. Now the thing is that if you are using text codes, you can't align it due to the nature of how text codes work. But if you are using text codes, you can do stuff such as icons, as you see right here, which as you've been seeing for a while, which is like that. Or perhaps down here in the shutdown game, you just do \I82, then the actual name of the command, and yeah, it's that simple. In fact, you also go to other plugins such as Yanfly's credits page again, and use a new formatting to affect the actual name. So for example, \I56, like that. And now there'll even be an icon right next to the credit command right there. And of course, like I said before, you can also change the text font to be something else, so like show card, Gothic, like that. Make it so the opacity is maybe, I don't even know, 180 like that. You can add more rows or columns. So for example, you make it so the columns are 3. And now here's what our new title command looks like. It's now all in one big window. You could probably move this around a bit to make things look better. So for this example, let's actually use that common event command right here. We'll do that. Let's copy its symbol right here. We'll set it so that this common event and the actual credits appear before the shutdown. So credits like that, then common event 1 like that. And then finally, instead of calling this common event 1, we'll just call it like text. And we'll also give it an icon at the front, so we'll do like \I97. Yeah. And now I think we actually had a pretty good looking title screen command window. And yeah, so I guess that's really all for this video. If you enjoyed, the download link to this plugin is in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and stuff. Yeah, ow, I hit my head. It didn't hurt at all, but like, I feel like I should, yeah. Well, that's all for this video. Until next time. I guess I should do something else, but I can't really think of anything.